Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping tools and oil. Get 4L of 5W30 and a new filter ready because Swift engines need clean viscosity and correct volume. Once warmed for 5-10 minutes, you park level, jack the front, and support with stands. Safety matters. You loosen the drain plug while oil is hot so it drains fully. Position the pan under the sump and remove the plug. Expect steady, dark oil flow. Make sure to inspect the plug washer as you drain. Once the oil has drained, you move quickly to the filter. Use a filter wrench and remove it while keeping the drain pan beneath to catch spills. Clean the mounting surface with a rag. Debris can cause leaks and pressure issues. Before fitting the new filter, coat its rubber gasket with fresh oil to ensure a proper seal, and screw it on by hand until snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn. Finally, fit a new drain plug washer and torque the plug to spec. You now refill, add 2 to 3, 5L of 5W30 oil through the filler neck, pouring slowly and pausing to let oil settle so your dipstick reading is accurate. Once at the correct mark, start the engine for 1 to 2 minutes, watch the oil pressure light, and check around the filter and drain plug for leaks. After shutting off and waiting a minute, recheck the level and top up if necessary. If you see low pressure or persistent leaks, tighten components and inspect the filter and drain plug washer immediately.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.